This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a signed-in Xiaomi account and AI writing enabled. Now open a new document and choose a template or blank canvas. This gets the system context. Once done, set the language and desired tone, then allow microphone only if you will dictate. Next, write a focused first prompt of 1 or 2 sentences that states goal, audience, and length. Make sure to include examples or keywords to guide output quality before generating your first draft. You now refine the generated draft by adjusting parameters and giving targeted instructions. For instance, lower creativity for factual text or increase it for marketing copy. Set a word limit like 200 words. Once you see output, edit inline and ask the model to expand or condense specific paragraphs or highlight a sentence and request a rewrite. Make sure to chain prompts. Feed refined context back in so the model remembers prior edits and preserves named entities or brand voice across versions. Finish by exporting your document or saving it as a template for future use. This preserves tone settings and parameter choices. Then proofread carefully for accuracy. Verify dates, names, and specific figures, because AI can invent plausible errors. If you need reproducible results, pin the final prompt and parameter set. If generation stalls or outputs irrelevant text, clear cache, shorten or simplify the prompt, and reauthorize AI writing permissions. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.